Mayor, first off, can I have you react to that last clip that we ran? Former Congressman Ace Barbers, who's now representing the House as Chief Communications Officer, essentially saying they weren't aware of these insertions. Ngayon lang nila nadidiscover how deep the problem goes, billions being downloaded to just one district, terms like sagasa and parking or parada. What do you think?
Well, alam mo naman, kaibigan natin yan si Congressman Ace Barbers. Probably now that he's occupying a new position, he has no knowledge about it. Pero alam mo yan, dyan sa BICAM, dyan naman talaga nag-uumpisa lahat. In fact, I came up with this sometime in March when I mentioned about the small BICAM, wherein about 3 or 4 people actually manipulated the GAA. Unfortunately, it was not picked up by the media. Pero I mentioned that before because the information actually came from a very reliable source. After the BICAM, nagkaroon pa ng small BICAM. Doon nagkaroon ng allegedly yung manipulation talaga, yung kaya nga tawag namin doon, the mangling or the massacre of the 2025 GAA fund.
Oh nga, sir, it keeps coming back to the small committee, and you and Congressman Toby Tiangco have been the most vocal about it. Problem is, Congressman Barber says there is no minutes of the small committee meeting, right? It's a small committee, it's a group of 4 people, the APRO chair, the vice chair, the minority leader, the majority leader, and there's no meeting minutes. So where do we go from here?
Yung nga yung problema doon, ano? There's no minutes. Kaya nga ngayon, ang effort ngayon nila ng Senate is every time there's a BICAM or, for example, whatever it becomes a small BICAM, then there should always be a minute para malaman natin kung sino talaga accountable doon. Who is doing the insertions and has to justify kung sakali meron siyang insertion doon. And that's the new move now of the Senate leadership.